How to cancel your HP Instant Ink account. If you decide to cancel your subscription, here's what you can expect. You can continue printing with Instant Ink supplies until the end of your current billing cycle. At the end of the billing cycle, you must remove Instant Ink cartridges and purchase original HB ink or toner directly from the retailer of your choice to continue printing. Your final monthly charge comes at the end of the billing cycle. The paper add-on service also ends with your Instant Ink service. To begin, sign into your HP Instant Ink account. Verify the serial number by selecting Overview, and then Printer Details in the Status area. Click Cancel Instant Ink, and then follow the on-screen instructions. After canceling, you receive an immediate email confirmation and another at the end of the billing cycle. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.